Hello students, today we are going to learn is about the LinkedIn marketing. Um, we know that there are many platforms are available for our digital marketing purposes. One of them is LinkedIn marketing. The all the platforms available are used for the different purposes. Particularly, we know very well about that LinkedIn marketing is used for the career development and particularly for what we can say our professional life. So let us discuss about the LinkedIn marketing. LinkedIn is a social networking site that has specifically proven to be a valuable platform for an individual's career and professional life. Over 467 million users in over 200 countries use the LinkedIn to build their relationship with potential customers, clients, partners, and colleagues. There are currently during 2017 the users of LinkedIn is about 467 million from different what we can say over 200 countries, and nowadays there are currently over 690 million people using the LinkedIn. The site is dedicated to building a strategic relationship that could help members in their professional lives, unlike other social networking sites where you might become friends with anyone and everyone. So it is not like what you can say other networking sites where you can be a friend of anyone and of everyone. But here particularly LinkedIn is providing the platform that is only used for the strategic relationships and that could help members in their professional lives. So LinkedIn, as shown in figure 6.1, is the fourth fastest growing social network after Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. So uh, Facebook comes at the first position of the fastest growing social network, then second is YouTube, and third is Twitter. But after that, the rank fourth is of the LinkedIn. So we see here that during 2017, 467 million users are there, and by this way LinkedIn got a fourth position. Their earnings are majority from the premium subscribers, marketing, and talent solutions as displayed in figure 6.2. So we see there that LinkedIn earn from the different what we can say ways, and majority earnings is from talent solutions. That is about 65 percentage, and amount goes to what you can say $623 million. And after that marketing solutions 18 percentage, about what you can say $175 million. Then premium subscriptions dollar 162 million. It includes the 17 percentage of its revenue. So these are what we can say major earnings of the LinkedIn. When it comes to directing the traffic to the main site, LinkedIn is by far the premium social referral source. So if our object is to direct the traffic to our main site, then LinkedIn is one of the main what we can say it is considered as the premium social referral source. As can be seen in figure 6.2, LinkedIn got the highest average order value of e-commerce purchases worldwide in 2015 among social media. From different social media, LinkedIn got here particularly we can say uh, so far as the order value of e-commerce purchase is concerned is highest. So we see in the figure 6.3 that it's about $207, and it is highest than that of what we can say here other what we can say different mm, platform. Then next we are going to discuss is about the importance of LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for individuals and organizations that are looking to make new connections, generate leads, and build their brands. So those organizations or individuals whose goals are to make the new connections and also to generate lead and to build the brand, then LinkedIn is the best platform for them. The platform offers a variety of opportunities like job hunting, freelance work, and the potential partners. So LinkedIn is used widely for the following purposes. These are the purposes that for which generally LinkedIn platform is used by the LinkedIn users. So first one is getting connected to the potential customers to get updated about them. So companies can able to get the connections with their potential customers. Then second is receiving endorsements and recommendations from networks, thus showcasing skills and abilities. So we can, if we say that these are the skill within us, then hardly someone trusts. But if the endorsements are there and recommendations are there from the different networks related to that, then almost all trust on them. So that is why it is the best platform for those who are required to have endorsements and recommendations for their better career like this, or to what we can say get opportunity. Then next is creating an online business card or resume, where potential clients, joint venture partners, and the employers can learn about the advertisers and get connected. So with the use of what we can say LinkedIn platform, we can able to create an online business card and resume, so that potential clients and joint venture partners and the employers can learn more about that what we have posted in uh, uh, our what we can say page of the LinkedIn. Job hunting through LinkedIn means many job posts are exclusive to LinkedIn, means many of the employers are only use the LinkedIn for their recruitment process. And so we can say that it is one of the important platform for job seekers, that they get the many number of recruiters or employers with the with connecting their profile with LinkedIn. So they are not advertised elsewhere, means they are only advertised through LinkedIn only. They are not using another platform or another way to advertise for their talent requirements. And that is why it is very much what I can say important platform for the job seekers, uh, because only we can get the details about the requirements in the LinkedIn. Being active on groups for different communities that align with the interest of the advertisers. तो advertisers के interest के हिसाब से अगर active group भी हमें उसके साथ एक connect होना है, ग्रुप्स के साथ actively connect होता है, then the LinkedIn is very much useful platform. Individuals and businesses can also participate in the discussions. So about the particular topic, the discussion is happen with the use of LinkedIn platform. Groups are seen as a place where one can build trust and rapport that is needed to cultivate the new prospects. So to get the new prospects, or what we can say, to generate the opportunities, we are required to develop the rapport, and it is become possible with the use of LinkedIn. The next is position yourself as a professional. As with all social networking platforms, once you sign up, you have a customizable profile. You can use this to portray yourself as a strong professional and to display your relevant experience. So we can able to display our relevant experience with the use of LinkedIn profile, and we can able to portray ourselves, means put ourselves as a best for particularly to highlight ourselves as a strong professional with the use of LinkedIn, because the related connections we can able to develop network with the use of what we can say LinkedIn platform. The next is networking. There is an astonishingly high amount of users across more than 200 countries at your fingertips. As we have discussed that about 690 million users from different countries are there of the LinkedIn. So we can get such a huge network with the use of LinkedIn platform. Once you have a strong professional profile, you will find more and more of these professionals will begin to connect with you. So if our profile is strong, so accordingly many professionals are wish to connect with our LinkedIn what you can say page. So by this way we can able to develop a network which is what we can say relevant to us, relevant to the recruiters requirements, relevant to our requirements like this. Then job opportunities. By creating a standout profile and building the right network, you are also opening yourselves up to career opportunities. We can able to develop our career through the with the proper use of what we can say LinkedIn platform, because with the use of that we are able to develop a standout profile, and we can able to develop a right network, and so definitely we get the proper opportunities, which is what a win-win position for both the side, for employers and for us as a job seeker. Your LinkedIn profile becomes a version of an online CV, and it is common for employers to search for and view this during the recruiting process. So if any employer who are looking for the particular type of skill, then they can get the proper CV if what we can say their keyword searching is matching with our what we can say words which we have used in our CV. So for a particular skill related searches made by the employer is available in our profile because we have used such words that includes the particular skills within us also, and which are used for finding such type of finding such type of persons having similar skill like this. Seeing a highly engaged professional with connections in the industry is going to come across well. So we can also able to engage with the professional that connect to the same industry, so we get the better knowledge about the particular industry insight, which is become very much useful for us. It can also be a means for potential employers to find you without you even applying for a position. So however, we are not applied for a particular position, but if the potential employers, means the employers who are seeking for the particular talent, is able to see our CV, okay, because we are already there with the connected there with the LinkedIn. With the help of the algorithm and the keyword searching, recruiters use the LinkedIn to scout for talents. So recruiters can use the particular what you can say type of algorithm in which the keyword searching is there, and accordingly they get the what you can say talent expected by them. And if such skills are there in our CV which matches with such keywords, then we can definitely means what we can say employers can get definitely find us. So there is even an open to work feature designed for this purpose, and other benefits also is and benefits are also there of using the LinkedIn platform. You can tap into its powerful job board. We can able to tap ourselves into a powerful job board. It means the job board, particularly the place where different job are available, which may be as per what we can say our expectation. You can build your brand. We can able to build our brand with the use of LinkedIn. It can help rank your name on Google. It maintains your Rolodex of contacts. You can research companies and its employees with the use of by using the LinkedIn platform. We can able to research for particular companies and also for their employees. It can help you tap into industry news. We can able to get the latest news about the particular industry if we are joining with the use of LinkedIn. It is also to be noted that one can even download their connections list in the SCV format. SCV format means Canvac Casmat file. Is a special file format and should only be edited and shared with the appropriate software. If appropriate software is not available with the user who is downloading our what we can say um, downloading the SCV format related our details or profile, then they cannot able to edit on that. In case of the company's page, it is not possible to download. So far as the company's page is concerned, no one can able to download it. The list of followers. Hence, it is important for a person to be active on his profile in personal profile इन एडिशन टू द कंपनीज पेज के साथ साथ हमें अपना जो पर्सनल प्रोफाइल है उसमें भी एक्टिव रहना चाहिए. देन ओनली व्हाट यू कैन से राइट टाइप ऑफ सीकर्स और रिक्रूटर्स और व्हाट कैन से एम्प्लॉयर्स कैन get our profile. Okay, so I think you have got clear concept about what is meant by LinkedIn and the importance of LinkedIn. So is it clear to all of you? I think you have got clear concept about this. So what today we have discussed is about the introduction of LinkedIn particularly is a what we can say marketing platform, then importance of LinkedIn. Okay, then next time we will discuss about the LinkedIn strategy.